Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video, I will tell about how to download Play Store in Huawei devices. So first of all, we enter in the phone browser. Then we search in the search bar dual space 4.0.2. After that, a few options will appear. Then we will scroll down. After that, download the APK from up to down. After that, two options will appear on the screen, latest version and old versions. Then I click old versions, then scroll down. Then I select this version 3.2.7. After that, I will click download option. Then I click it cross button because I download it before. So here the app we will download. So an ad will appear 5 seconds. So skip this ad. So we will see Play Store option in this app and few more options in this app. So I will click Play Store options. An app will appear of 5 seconds. Then I will close the ad. So we will see that Play Store is open. Then we download it any app from the Play Store. So I will download WhatsApp. I already download WhatsApp. So I will open. You can see that we can download any app from the Play Store in Huawei devices. So I will make shortcut of this Play Store icon. So long press the Google Play Store. After that, three options will appear. Then we will select create shortcut. After that, confirm. Then we will select add button. We will see that Google Play Store option will appear on the screen. Then we directly click on the Google Play Store. An ad will appear. So I skip this ad. So we will use Play Store with the help of dual space. I think this video is very useful for all the Huawei users. So I hope this video is very interesting for Huawei users. Thanks for watching my video.